welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back. I know it's been a crazy 2020, but here we are. I'm so grateful to be alive. Let's get started with this video. Today we're going to be unboxing this hair removal device that I purchased from Amazon. With all of the closures going on and not being able to go out and get any hair removal treatments, you know, you have to be creative. So I opted for going online and doing my research and buying what I think will be the best option for me. So as you already know, I've made videos on how to wax your armpits, how to wax your hairline, and all of the comments on those videos have been hilarious. Okay, so this guy right here, it is, I believe, $90, and I am a Prime member. This video is not sponsored. I purchased this device with my own dinero. If you guys have questions, I will be reading the comments down below and I'll make sure to address those questions in my next video. So make sure you guys, if you have any questions like I did before I purchased this, that's why I'm making this video, so I can be your guinea pig, your lab rat. I also paid attention to the number of flashes that the device would give me. So this one has 999,000 flashes, which I think should be enough for like 2 people to use for like a very long time. And the booklet does say that I should be seeing results within 8 to 12 weeks. So I'm going to be doing just that, using it 2 times a week for 8 to 12 weeks. And I'll be coming back to you guys to let you know what I think, if I see any improvement in the hair removal process. It arrived fairly quickly. This is how the box looks like. It's shrink wrapped. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and cut this thing open. I was gonna use my nails, but I do not want to ruin my nail polish. And we're gonna slide it open. Voila. So we open the box and we have the instructions. We have the enchufe. Okay, now down to the nitty gritty. The biggest item in the box. And it is the actual machine. So this is how it looks like. I think the rose gold, the color is cute. And it has a little sticky here to remove, and it says, please select the softest depilation level for the first usage and read the user manual carefully to choose the suitable level for your skin color according to the color guide. It's not turning on because I think I might need to charge it. Let's see what else is in the box. There's a little bag here, and what is this? That's interesting. So it has these 2 things here, and I think, yeah, it's so you can change the plug. I'll be using this one because this is all I have in my house. So we're gonna leave that on. There is another baggie. Let's go ahead and find out what's in here. Oh, there's a razor. It looks kind of chippy. Let's see. I mean, I have my own razors that I can use. But yeah, it's a 2-blade razor that looks like this. It's not focusing. Anyways, it's a 2-blade razor. It looks kind of cheap, but gets the work done. And we also have what looks like a pair of really cool shades. And everything is now green. Like, I am so ready to go to battle somewhere in the universe. Seriously, everything looks green. Let's see, you guys want to try it on? See, now I look green. Okay, so I don't know how this is gonna work out. And I wonder if I can use other glasses that I have. Anyways, do they suit me? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so I want to know if maybe I can use different glosses other than these. I want to know more about this because I've never done this at home. I have no clue how to do this, and I'm a little bit nervous yet excited to try this out. It says, is IPL suitable for me? Due to the way the technology itself works, IPL isn't suitable for the darkest skin tones. IPL is also not recommended for use on red, gray, or very light blonde hair. Take a quick look at the chart to find out whether you're suitable. Applicable skin color chart, applicable hair color chart. Okay, so there's a chart here. And I guess if your skin is really, really dark, this device wouldn't be suitable for you. Or if you have really light blonde hair or gray hair or even red hair, it wouldn't work for you. So you guys have to look at this chart. I'm thinking that the reason why this device doesn't work on super light hair is because the machine probably uses the pigment on your hair to burn off the hair follicle. So if your hair is extremely light, it wouldn't pick up on the pigment. And also if your skin is really dark and there's a lot of pigment, it wouldn't differentiate between the hair follicle and the skin, right? So I'm thinking maybe that's why it's not suitable for very dark skin or really light hair. However, I'm a light shade of brown, so I think this will work perfectly on my hair. My hair is really dark, so I don't think we're gonna have a problem with burning off the hair follicles in my body. I wanna know if I need to charge this thing. I'm assuming it's a yes. I'm gonna go ahead and charge this for a good 15 to 20 minutes and I will be back. Okay, so I was gonna charge it and I just realized that maybe you don't even need to charge it, you just need to plug it. So there's a pluggy thing here and you're just gonna connect it like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and charge it back here and we'll just sit on the floor and we can continue the video that way. Oh my god, I'm a little nervous! Okay, so I purchased this to use it on my bikini area, maybe Brazilian. I've heard you're not supposed to do that, but I'm gonna go ahead and just give it a try. Don't judge me. I'll let you know if it works. So, okay, I'm nervous, and if I make a mistake and if it hurts, okay, we're just gonna find out together, okay? I'm just gonna go ahead and try it on my arm for the first time. I just accidentally clicked here and it turned these lights on. So anyways, genetically, I'm just a very hairless person. The hair on my arms does not bother me, but we're just, for the sake of this video, we're gonna try it. Here, I wanna, oh my god, I don't know how it's gonna feel. I'm just nervous, okay? So don't judge me. Here we go. All for the sake of beauty. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, how do you know the setting? But I keep pushing this thing and it's, oh, there it is, there it is. It just made this like vacuumy noise. It sounds like there's a fan in there. And there's little air coming out of this part. And I have 999,985 flashes. Oh my word, you guys. Okay, here we go. But wait, I don't want to burn myself. Oh, there. So the setting here, I'll show you. See? 3, 4, 5. 5 is the highest setting. We're gonna start off with like number 1. Because I ain't about to burn myself in front of the whole world. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Ah. Okay. Oh, it feels a little warm. It feels like hot, like a hot flash. So I'm gonna get close for you guys to see. I'm still nervous. So if I'm shaking, please excuse me. It feels hot. That is so crazy. Oh my gosh, I just realized I can use this on my toes. I have like little hairs on my toes that I don't like. So I'm gonna use it on my toes. Excuse my toes, I haven't had a pedicure in like a couple weeks. Oh, I'm scared. Hope you guys could see. Okay, it's not flashing anymore. That's so weird. Okay, so I guess it has to detect like skin all over in order for it to work. I'm sweating. Okay, so I'm gonna have to sit here and continue showing you guys how this thing works. This is setting number 1 and it feels pretty warm. I want to say it almost burns, or at least it feels like it's like burning your skin a little bit. And it's only number 1. How crazy is that? I'm scared to use the other settings. It feels really warm. But anyways, this is pretty cool. I hope that it does work. Make sure you guys come back for the follow-up video. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna turn it off for now. So now you can't hear the fan. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.